Today I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube, but after every solve, one piece is going to disappear. Alright, I'm going to start with one normal solve just to set a baseline for how good my solves should be, and then we'll see how the solves get maybe better or worse than the first solve. So let's get started. Looks like I can make an X cross here. Okay, not really used to this cube, but that's a pretty good time. And now is the fun part. This is gonna be so fun. I'm not gonna try and figure out which piece got replaced. I'm just gonna go through the solve normally and see if this actually messes me up. Let's do this. Oh no, it's the red-blue one. Okay. I really hope I inserted that one incorrectly, because, wow, okay. That was just a normal solve, except for the part where I had to find the red-blue piece. And I got really lucky that the way I decided to insert the piece actually flipped it the correct way, because if it had gone in the other way, then one of the other pieces I'd have to solve later would then be flipped, and that would take a long time to fix. So 11 is actually pretty good. I've done solve number 1 and 2. Leave a comment with which solve you think will take me the longest to do. Also, I want you guys to guess which solve you think will be the fastest one. It might seem obvious, but you never know what might happen. So the edge piece is gone, but another corner piece is also gone. So I'm excited now. This is going to definitely step up the level of difficulty. Okay, I think this might be a white corner because I was unable to look ahead to first pair. So I'm just gonna inspect the cross and go ahead. Oh, what the? Okay. All right. Oh, right. That's red, blue, and this one, please be going in right. Oh no. Let's do an OLL. Okay, that didn't orient almost all the corners. This. Oh, what? So I haven't run into a problem where the edge was flipped yet, but I did run into a problem where the corner was twisted. And I had to do a lot of thinking for how to undo the twist that I ended up finding in the top layer, and I did 3 OLLs. In case you're actually wondering what I did there, it was just this blindfolded algorithm like that, which twists a top corner and a bottom corner, which was the black one. Now we have 2 edges and a corner gone. It looks like all my cross pieces are still here, so I just gotta remember one of the edges is red-blue, and I don't know anything about the other one. Okay, the nice thing is this time I can actually inspect first pair, but it's gonna be very difficult after that. This one's red-blue, so I'll just insert it. Oh, that's the corner. Wait, did I just? No, there's parity. How do I do this? Okay, somehow that ended up being better than the other solve. I definitely got super lucky there. I wasn't thinking about it, but what I actually did just solved the rest of the cube. This is where it's really useful that I have a bunch of blindfolded tricks up my sleeve. Turns out that's just a blindfolded 3-cycle that I do all the time. So yeah, the blindfolded method is serving me greatly here. Now I have 2 corners and 2 edges, and this is actually a special solve because it's the first one where I technically don't have to get every piece back where it started to solve the cube. The reason is because it's possible to have situations where 2 corners and 2 edges are out of place and the rest of the cube is still solved. So that could technically happen here, which means I have a little bit more freedom with how the pieces move. All right, red-blue is one of the black pieces, and orange-green is one of the black pieces. This is what I got. This is not a real OLL. I have to twist this corner. I'll twist it with this one. What is this? These two, this goes, oh, it's a U-perm. Nope, it's not. J-perm. Okay. Okay, that was so difficult. It's definitely a big struggle recognizing PLL with more of the yellow pieces gone, and I didn't realize I now have 2 missing yellow pieces, so that's definitely what made this harder. This is just getting insane, what the heck? I've definitely replaced the blue cross piece because I can only find these 3, so I'll just have to pretend one of the black pieces is my blue cross piece, And I guess it'll just be whichever one makes the cross easiest, which should be this one. All right, let's start. This is gonna be an absolute disaster. There's like no F12 pieces to work with. What the heck? They're all gone. All right. OLL, PLL. Is this a J perm? Please just, no, that wasn't right. This looks right. This looks right. Yes. Oh, that was way better than 35 seconds. I realized I was gonna run out of corner pieces faster than edge pieces, so I've replaced another edge this time, just like last time, and let's get started. So it looks like 3 of my cross pieces are still here, the blue one's still gone. Oh no, okay, it looks like I've removed one of my F12 pieces. This isn't good. Okay, I'm just gonna have to pretend it's one of the black pieces. That wasn't right. Okay, F12 should be easier if I'd actually practiced this, but I'm so not used to this. Okay, what is this? This is orient some edges. Corner twist, I need another corner. Wait, no, I don't need a twist. Oh, what am I? I actually just went full 0 IQ there. You know what? These two need to swap. No, that's not what needed to swap. I'm actually going full 2-look PLL here. These two and... Wait, this goes here? Oh my... Oh no. I don't understand. There was nothing that much more difficult about the solve. I think I just got really confused. Yeah, it's like I'm trying to do pattern recognition because that's how I normally see PLLs. I look at color patterns, but I think I should be dialing it back and thinking more like a beginner because I am a beginner at actually solving this way. So I should be looking exactly at where pieces are rather than, doing advanced stuff. The cross looks pretty easy, but I'm going to very quickly get confused afterwards. Wow. Wait. Oh, I can keyhole a lot of this, I think. These two need to swap. Oh. How do you... This goes here, this goes... No, they don't need to swap. Wow, okay. That was much better. Once I started taking a moment to look at the pieces and think about it, then it actually was okay. You know what? I'm seeing very little green on this cube. Oh, would you look at that? My green cross piece is gone. On the bright side though, this cross is only gonna be 5 moves. Okay, let's begin. Whoa, is that F2L? No, that's not F2L. 2-look PLL basically solve the corners. Oh, that's not even solved. Okay, let's put it in, and this is a U-perm. I always just have to check at the end to make sure I actually got it right, because I don't want the slowest solve to be a DNF or have to redo anything. Oh, this was almost really cool. I could almost do an X cross with this pair and this. Well, maybe I could do it with this pair. You know what? Let's just do that. Beautiful. X cross. Wait, no, that's... Oh, okay. How... That's OLL, and this goes here, this goes here. That's the R perm. You know what would be really cool though, is if somehow I just had all the yellow pieces removed, and then I would just be doing F2L and getting the last layer skip every time. All right, 10 pieces are now gone and the other 10 are still colored. So we are pretty much at the halfway point. Oh, and before we start the solve, here are all the times of the solves I got before. Oh, I can't turn. Okay, somehow the orange-blue pair still exists. Oh no, okay, that pair still exists. But I think the red-blue pair is completely gone. What is this? That almost solved everything. This is... Oh, why am I struggling? This is a V-perm. And that's solved. I feel like I've been getting low 20s a lot. Now the cube is actually more black than it is colored. There are 11 black pieces in here, and also it is more non-magnetic than it is magnetic, because I just realized the black pieces don't have magnets in them. Miraculously, I still have 2 cross pieces, and it looks like I can actually make an X cross here. Maybe a double X cross? Ah, this is hurting my brain. I'll just go for a single X cross. No, I think I can do double. Let's just see if this works. Ah, beautiful. What am I even looking for? Okay, that was not right. J-perm. Is this right? Let's go. The solves are actually getting faster now. It feels kind of weird to call this a solved cube, but I mean, all the colors are on the right sides, so there you go. It looks like I'm down to my last white corner piece, and I still have 2 cross pieces. I'm thinking of potentially starting on a different color, but I kind of wanted to do white cross the whole time, just so I kind of had an idea of which pieces were disappearing, because if I kept switching color, I feel like I'd get even more confused. All right, let's start. Cross. Oh, please tell me that was an X cross. That's beautiful. Oh no. Wow, I messed up. And this piece needs to flip. This goes here, this goes here, that's an R-perm again. And 22 seconds. I made a mistake there, which is why it took longer, but I don't think the solves are ever gonna get slower. This cube feels entirely non-magnetic now. It is so flimsy. Wow, okay. It seems like I only have these 2 white cross pieces, and this is the only F2L piece remaining. Oh no, there's that one. Okay, I think I can inspect almost all of F2L here. All right. This could be a really fast solve. All right. OLL, and we're done! Oh, wow! Oh man, we need an instant replay of that solve. Let me just quickly explain what I did here. I realized that after I made the cross, all I had to do was insert these 2 black pieces in place of these 2 non-black pieces, and then do this algorithm to swap the 2 edges on the left. And that was actually it for F2L. For OLL, I just looked at the corners and solved it, and then I got a PLL skip. Wow, there are only 6 pieces remaining. Can I do orange? Because the cross looks kind of easy. I think I just need to solve this blue cross piece, put this one where it belongs, and then solve the other 2. And then I'll be done with F2L. All right, let's see if this works. Wow, okay. Flip that, twist this. They're in the right spot. Oh, that was pretty lucky. I got a PLL skip again because I didn't know where the 2 red pieces were going to end up after I did the OLL, and I did 2 OLLs actually, but that was so easy. Another piece has fallen, and this time I think I can actually one-look the whole solve. So let's try this. Oh, let's go. Wait, that was slower than the world record full solve? I blame the cube. It's not magnetic. This is getting stupid at this point. One of my pieces is solved, and there's only 3 other pieces. I have a plan here. See if it works. Oh no, that was a DNF. I forgot to do the last slice move. Wow, are you kidding me? I got pretty much the worst scramble possible with 3 pieces left because they're all clumped together and not oriented in a nice way. But I will still try to one-look this. So if I move this one over here, this up here. Okay, I think I got it. Whew, 1.37 seconds and it is correct. Yes, this is the type of scramble I want. All right. Let's do this. Did I get it? Oh, I did. Somehow still slower than the 2x2 world record. I don't know how they do it. How did I get a bad scramble with only 1 piece on the cube? It's gonna take me 3 moves to solve this piece. Jeez. All right, let's do this. Of course, one piece was slower than two pieces. Here are the final times so you can see if you guessed right. The slowest solve by a big margin was lucky number 7, but solve 17 was a DNF, so it's kind of up to you which one you would say is the worst one. I was just showing off on solve 17 and I paid the price for it. It's interesting, I expected the slowest solve to come later, and it looks like if I didn't make mistakes, it might have. But I forgot to factor in that earlier on in the challenge, I am worse at the challenge, so it makes sense that I will improve as I go on, and so the worst solve should come a little bit earlier. Okay, fine, I'll do it. There are no more pieces. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you might like me solving the cube in the mirror or playing with the Monster Go cubes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.